Hi, sorry to bother you. I've noticed you've been having this problem, and I have this thing that might be able to help. But I don't know if it's any good, and it's a bit expensive. But if I give you a discount and throw in a couple of freebies, and I work myself into the early hours of the morning, stop this shit. Seriously, how to sell without being salesy is one of the biggest, most frequently asked questions that I get, and it always comes from women. I've never heard a man say, how do I sell without being salesy? What if people get sick of hearing about this product that I have? It just doesn't happen. Women get in their own way all the damn time when it comes to sales. Hi, I'm Lee, aka the Basics Bitch. I'm here today to talk about selling and how women screw themselves over when it comes to business. And it's partly because of one of the biggest lies the coaching industry has ever sold, that you can sell without selling. Da 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 da! Real talk. It's a load of shit. And if you'll give me just a few minutes, I'm going to tell you why. Now, I'm not going to ramble on about, well, I probably will ramble on, but I'm not going to ramble on about the psychology behind all of this. I am not going to spend the next 6 hours telling you about the patriarchy and the generations of women who have been made to carry the mental load, the emotional load, and to care about others and think that everything is their responsibility and their fault. Breathe, ladies. Sales are easy, right? You have a thing, it's a good thing, you know it can help people, so you tell them about it, and then they buy it. Really easy. I know it doesn't feel that easy. I know that you worry that maybe it's not good enough, and that little gremlin of an imposter voice is screaming at you through the megaphone about how shit you are and how nobody's ever going to buy from you. And how dare you ask that much? You spent 65 hours working on this. How dare you charge more than a penny an hour? Right? That's how it works. It doesn't matter what you are selling, whether it's a physical product, a digital product, or a service. I can't speak. Or a service. Then sales are sales. You have a thing, you tell people, they buy it. I hate bro marketing, but it's the one thing that they do really well. You will never hear a bro marketer trying to sell a course on how to sell without being salesy because they don't care. This is, in my experience, exclusively a problem that women have. I heard something the other day and it really resonated. It's none of your damn business how much money is in someone else's wallet. Many of us undercharge because we're worried that people can't afford our thing. Here, simple. If they can't afford it, they won't fucking buy it. And if somebody says, oh, well, I put it on the credit card or I got into debt for it, then that's on them, not you. You are not responsible for other people's actions. I mean, if you told them to put it on the credit card, then that's a whole other story. That is being an asshole. But if you are selling ethically and you are selling with integrity and transparency, and you know that your thing has value, whatever that is, then you shouldn't be worried about being salesy. You can't sell something if people don't know it exists, and you will not pay your bills by taking 26 days to tell Maureen from Manchester that you've got this product that's really going to change her life. Just sell. It's as simple as that. There is nothing wrong with being salesy. There's a big difference between salesy and sleazy. And at the end of the day, you are running a business, not a charity. You shouldn't be worrying about people leaving your community or unfollowing you on Instagram because you told them that you had a product for sale when they're following your business account. Okay, I love you. Bye bye.